How to put a password on your Netflix profile. If you're also trying to figure this out, then you've come to the right video, because I'm exactly going to show you the process that you need to add in a password or a PIN to your Netflix profile. For this, you're going to need to open up the web browser, because you wouldn't see an option within the app of Netflix. Search for netflix.com and then you'll need to log into your account. Once the login is done, just tap on the three lines that you see on the top left. Again, tap on account. From the accounts page, you just scroll down until you reach profile and parental controls. Tap on the profile that you want to add in the password to, and from here you can see other couple of options, and you'll see an option of profile lock. By default it will be off. To create the lock, tap on the change option and type in the password of your Netflix account and tap on continue. Now here you can create a PIN or a password of your profile. Check this box and type in any PIN. After you add it in the PIN, just tap on save. Now anytime you'll need to access your profile, you'll need to type in the exact PIN that you've entered. So that was the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.